The budget speech, the budgetary provisions, they are all fine. But ultimately, as said, the ultimate goal of all government interventions is citizen well-being and happiness. I wish that every citizen of the state will be happy. I wish that the government of the day will be able to control the new tribe, the high-level tribes. I wish that our men in uniform will be able to recover back the lost prestige that they have faced under the current dispensation. If I'm allowed to say, sir, this new tribe has been allowed to prosper under the watch of the MDA-1. So every rupee that we all agree, every single rupee that will be passed in this budget, cut motions will be brought. But ultimately, Islam belum, tapi bagus kompres. Nama mengadakan Israel dan Malaysia. Dengan, kalau sih pada dengan kesandur dengan play, kebang play kuat berlalu sisi dia berjalan betul.